So Chris, at the end of a busy service, how easy and simple are these machines to clean down?
They're very easy. Basically, the wash arms come out very easily. So you have a wash and a rinse at the top and the bottom. And then the main filter comes out. And this will actually show you that it will not work without the filter being in place. This will save a lot of spoons and damage to your wash pumps. Unlocks, be cleaned, reinstalled, and the machine wiped down with a cloth. The whole of the inside is smooth and clean. There's no corners for food debris to hide. One of the main features of the FX machine is it has a hygiene cycle. After every 1500 washes, it will, when you switch it on in the morning, will tell you that it requires a deep clean. This helps assist in the cleaning and the hygiene of the machine. You will scroll through your selection to get to hygiene. We then supply tablets. You would take one out of the packet, put it onto the filter, close the door, and with the hygiene selected, press the button. This will take about 30 minutes. It will remove starch build-ups, it will clean and degrease, and it'll make the machine smell nicely.